Your new 7 Series is a product of BMW's unfaltering commitment to excellence and passionate enthusiasm for driving. With its exhilarating power, effortless response, sumptuous comfort, and innovative safety technologies, the 7 Series represents the pinnacle of BMW luxury performance achievement. This video and the quick check guide that comes with it have been prepared to help you derive the most pleasure, safety, and reliability from your car. To find a particular section in the video, simply look it up in the quick check guide. The time code provided will make it easy for you to quickly find the correct section in the tape. Advanced Security. The security systems in your new 7 Series are highly advanced in order to help protect you, your passengers, and your vehicle. Your BMW is equipped with coded drive-away protection, a sophisticated key and lock system that can make theft more difficult. In its first year, this unique BMW system was associated with an 80% decrease in theft losses. The key is equipped with a tiny transponder, which stores a random electronic code transmitted by an antenna in the ignition switch. Each time the car is started, this random code is changed. The next time the car can only be started if the key matches the new code.
You will have received a set of keys consisting of a master key, a duplicate key, a valet key, and a spare to be kept in a safe place. The valet key may be used to open the doors and turn on the ignition, but it cannot be used to unlock the trunk or glove compartment. The microprocessor technology in your new vehicle enables you to store certain preferences in the car's memory, and some of these are specific to each remote control key. When you open the door of your BMW after unlocking it with one of the remote control master keys, the key memory can reset the driver's seat and climate control to the positions they were in the last time that particular remote was used. Colored decals are provided to help you identify the remotes. Each key's user can make several choices, and your BMW Center will enter these preferences into key memory. For example, having the vehicle lock automatically once it's in motion, and choosing to unlock all the doors at once instead of just the driver's door first. The car memory allows you to store several more security preferences, which apply regardless of which key is used. If you prefer, you can have the daytime running lights come on whenever the ignition is started, and you can have the exterior lights flash when the alarm system is armed. The choice is yours. Your new vehicle incorporates pathway lighting. To activate, simply pull the headlamp flasher turn indicator stalk toward you after turning off the car. The headlights and interior lights will come on for added security as you leave your car, and will go out automatically after 40 seconds.
Let's begin with the keyhead remote. It can be operated at a distance up to 50 feet, and you don't have to have the car in